Here I have HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by tapping it once, recording starts immediately. You can start recording your screen. You can switch on or off your microphone here. You can also switch screen touches here, so as you can see now, like, this ball is following my finger, but like with this feature enabled, no ball anymore. When you're done recording, just tap on this red middle button. You can find your recording in gallery, in the album called screenshots or videos. It will be in both of them. Start recording your screen. So from here you can also perform some of these edit actions with your recording. You can also share, favorite, edit, delete it, and some of these actions from this list. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.